Simplies, and welcome back. Today I am out and about, and today I am about to be going to get my eyelashes done for the first time. I'll be getting eyelash extensions. I'm so excited. I know my face looks bare and I hate the way I look without like my mascara and my liner, but I can't wear any of that, and I'm so excited, and I decided that I wanted to take you guys with me when I get my eyelash extensions. I don't know what style I want to get yet, but the place that I did research, they have 5 stars, because y'all know I don't play with that. Just like when I did my eyebrows, you got to make sure you do research before you let anybody touch anything on your face physically, because again, our face is our face. So I'm excited. Babe is about to drive me down there. My appointment is in like another hour or so, so we figured we'd leave a little bit early in case of traffic, and I'm so excited. I also wanted to do this video because I know some of you probably have wanted to try this. You probably, you know, you want to know how the whole process is, and I'm gonna tell you. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video, and let's go get these lashes done. This is my first time, so I wanted to know, like, how long do the extensions last?
So we recommend them back every 2 weeks for a refill.
Okay.
They'll start to grow out, some will fall out. We'll take the ones that are growing out, we'll replace them, and then we'll add some more.
Okay. Is there any like long-term effects with like putting extensions onto your eyelashes?
What do you mean?
Like, can they damage your original eyelashes
If
they
they're
become
not
shorter?
done correctly, yes, they can.
Okay.
But if they're done the right way, you should be fine.
How long does this usually take?
Depending on what you want. So if you're getting classic, right?
I wrote my own because I kind of want something like a little bit, not dramatic, but like my birthday's coming, so I kind of want to. I want my eyes to pop, them to look kind of like the way yours look.
Okay.
Like yours look pretty.
Recommend getting hybrid. It's a mix of classic and volume. So you'll get the classic, but you'll also get tan. That's what makes them beautiful.
Yeah, exactly. I think I want that. I think the classic, if I'm gonna do it, just do it.
The classic is more natural. So for someone that doesn't really wear makeup out, kind of like natural.
Yeah. Can I apply my eyeliner once I have lashes on, or you can't?
You can. Just make sure when you remove them, make sure your remover is water based.
Okay, water based.
So the oil will break down the glue and sometimes will come out.
Okay.
Quicker.
do it because I always do the cat eye every day. I don't do like the foundation. I don't do powder. I'm just simple like that. I don't want to put it on if it's
gonna be. Just when you take it off, just make sure, like, be careful around the eyelashes. And again, if it has oils, it can come out a lot quicker than normal.
Oh, really?
So if you want to buy something over here, ours is water based, so it'll wash friendly.
So what's a good, as long as it's water based, it doesn't have to be a specific one.
Right, just make sure it has no oils in it.
So when do I have to come back again?
So in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So they will be grown out, so we take those out, replace them, and then we add a couple more.
Yeah, you gotta get me right, because my birthday's November 27th, so I counted 2 weeks from today is like the 25th.
Yeah, so you probably went like right before.
You gotta get me right. You gotta get me right.
Nice and full.
Yes, because I really love it. You did a great job. Is there anything else I need to know?
That's pretty much it.
So this style that I got is called, because I want to tell everybody, it's the hybrid style.
Right.
So what's so special about the hybrid?
So hybrid is a mix of classic and volume.
Classic and volume mix.
Right.
Okay. All right, perfect. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Guys, so now I'm back at home. I hope you guys enjoyed taking the trip with me to get my lash extensions. I love the way that they look. I did go with the hybrid lash extensions, so if that's something that you're into, definitely check them out. I'll make sure to put their information down in the description below. And the reason why I like these lashes is because it's not too dramatic. You can still see that I have them on, but it's not extra. You know what I'm saying? Some people like it extra. That's just not me. But I think I do want to go up a little bit more. I have to go back in about 2 weeks. For these, you go back in 2 weeks. And she also stated for aftercare not to get them wet today or tomorrow. And when I do take a shower, to make sure that, you know, I don't get them wet because the steam can make the lashes fall off. But I'm very satisfied, and I think this is something that I'll be doing more often because I really like the way that they look. And yeah, so if you're interested in getting your lashes done, I definitely recommend going to this place that I went to. It was very quick, it was very relaxing, like the whole setup there was nice, everybody was sweet, it was clean, and it wasn't crowded at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Your girl feeling herself. He also said to be careful with, because you guys know that I like to apply like every day I apply the liquid eyeliner, and then I do a little bit of the cat eye. She said just to be careful with that, and when I'm about to take it off, make sure to use any type of water-based like makeup wipes. That's really important. So that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and that's it for this vlog.